It was really interesting to see how there's all these different birds together, but they're able to live together. So there's different kinds of social dynamics that they're able to live together. So they put birds together based on their level of aggression and also the habitat. So right here we have the wetlands. And so basically, there's not a bird here that's gonna like attack another bird. They're all very docile with each other. They may push some birds away, but their level of aggression is relatively the same here. I enjoy going out and birding because it actually helps me to go into the nature and to see these birds. But also I like doing research on the internet and finding out more about these specific birds that we're hearing about in class.